Right now I want to demo this item. This is our R02T EXT C5E 35A. This is the VGA with audio UDP extender. I'm holding the transmitter unit. It has a local output and an input, and then the output for the category, the Cat5 cable or Cat6 cable. And on the receiver side, it has the input from the transmitter and the output to the VGA monitor with the audio. And on the bottom, it has the EQ and gain adjustments. So right now I have everything set up. I'm using a Dell Dimension 8400 PC with the default video card and a Dell 30-inch monitor. Now I already have the VGA cables connected to the monitor and the PC. Same with the audio cable to the PC. But for the monitor, since this is a monitor that has no speakers, I'm going to be using an external speaker with the cable right here. Now, so first, you want to connect the transmitter to the PC to the VGA input right here. And then don't forget, make sure the audio is connected too, which is right next to the audio input, next to the VGA input. Now when you have that connected, you will want to plug in the power. And you notice the orange light coming on, and the green light's on, but it's a little dim. But that just means power and signals going into the transmitter. And for this, I'll be using our unit goes up to 1,000 feet. So I'll be using a 1,000-foot cable right here. So first, connect one end to the output, and the other end to the input of the receiver unit. Then plug in the power, and you notice the orange light coming on. Green light's on too, but orange light's more brighter, meaning signal is going from the transmitter through the cable to the receiver. And then connect the VGA cable from the monitor to the receiver, and the audio cable to the speaker. Right now it is connected, and I need to play a file. Right now this is a regular sample file, audio file, music file, and as you can hear from the speaker, sound is coming through 1,000 feet from PC to speaker. But for the sake of demo, I'm going to turn the audio off so you can hear me talk better. Now, audio, I just turned the speaker off, but it's still playing. It's still transmitting. Turn it on. You can tell it's still playing, but you need to turn it off. Now, right now, let me memorize this. Right now, we're just demoing the display at 1920 by 1200. It could go higher to 1440. But the monitor doesn't support that mode too well. But let me just show it to you. Our PC is still transmitting the 1920 by 1440, but we just have to scroll, and this is due to a monitor. You put it back to 1920, so I can show you something. You pull up the test. This is like a generic test pattern, to line up the colors and the letters. Now, as you can see, all the colors line up. But that's because I already pre-adjusted this. You have some different length. You might have to adjust it, and that's where right here, the EQ comes in. The EQ adjusts fixes any problems with the skew or ghosting. And as you can see, I'll adjust it somewhere, like a random adjustment. I just turn it clockwise, and you can see there's color skewing. As the red is coming out more significantly. But when I turn it back counterclockwise, you notice to the far end counterclockwise, you notice blurring because of the length and everything. So but it depends on what length you're using. There's different adjustments for each person, each user. But you need to adjust it back to the optimal size. There. Now, this also has a gain. This gain controls the brightness. Turn it counterclockwise, it goes dimmer. Clockwise, brighter. Show you again. Dimmer, brighter.